Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. First, let me say, I heard from uh, Patriot Beauty saying that Treasure Art Studio for the next few weeks are not accepting customs. I contacted to verify that with Rachel, and yes, so don't try to contact her for customs for the next few weeks. I imagine she'll let Patrick Beauty know what she's going to accept because they're affiliate. I am not. To give you a backstory on this Treasure Art Studio, my subscribers know what happened. I ruined it. I was doing an unboxing. The glue, I destroyed the glue. I put the plastic that cover, that comes with it, on wrong. I put it backwards, it got stuck. Getting it off, I stripped like 80% of the glue off. I was heartbroken. Rachel, when she found out about it, wants to send me a new one, and I don't feel like she really have to because I'm the one that do it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to attempt to rescue this painting. Okay? I don't know if it's going to work. I already did it once. I left it like it said. And shake it for 2 minutes. It appeared to work, but now I'm looking at it again, and so somebody suggested this, and it does not seem to be working, but I'm going to apply another coat on it. See, it appears to be, but I gotta leave it for 30 a little bit, and we'll check it out. Okay, folks, okay, back. It appears to be, but the thing is, when I put the paper on and I came back to redo this, it wasn't. So I think what I'm going to do is I wish I had wider. Double. So now I've tried this method. So we'll see if this works. That Tic Tac might be good to do a spot that you're presently working, but it is not going to be good for long term, in my opinion. Because I did this before. I recorded it, thought I fixed it. But something was wrong with the CD disc, so I had to redo it. And when I did, I noticed it was not sticky. So okay, I gotta be very careful. Oop. Let me pre-cut these. I'm not worried about looks, folks. I'm just worried about if it's gonna be functional. Let me get this. And while I'm doing this, I do want to warn you guys something. I warned it on my Facebook. So, go check it out. Yeah, I'm ready to tell you more detail on that when I get the pretty neat. And it just, I'm gonna put you on pause here, so you watch me do all this, and I'll be right back. Okay, folks, am I recording? So, double-sided Tic Tac, and I'm sorry to say, even with 2 coats of the Tic Tac, it did not work. It was sticky while it was wet. As soon as it dried, nothing. So now we're going to see how this double-sided works. So I will be right back. Okay, my final thoughts. Neither. It might have been better had my double-sided tape had been in longer strips than this. What I found, this may be good for smaller areas. The double-sided, as you can see, all I did by doing it strips is make it too many rivers, so this is not going to work. There's no fixing this DP. There's just no fixing it. The Easy Tic Tac that was suggested to me, what I found was it too may be good for a spot or two, but if you use it, you are definitely going to have to seal it afterwards. It is not good for large areas. I gave it 2 coats. I shook the can for 2 minutes like it instructed. I actually put 2 coats of it on there. While it was wet, it was very sticky, but as soon as it dried, it lost its stickiness. It was no longer sticky. The canvas is sticky now with this, but as you can see, let me take you off here and I'll show you. Also, you can tell where I put the strips. And if it was just one, I could use my Echo knife to correct it. But no, it was a failure. I did try. I debated even putting this up, but I thought maybe it would help somebody else. So she is sending me another one, and by chance, if she doesn't, I will rebuy it. At a future date, I'm going to get a smaller painting that I don't care about and redo this using maybe bigger strips. But as you see, I don't think the double-sided really works for such a large canvas when you're replacing all of it. And the same thing with the Tic Tac. So I wasn't happy with either one. Would I use Tic Tac? Yeah, for a tiny spot. Would I use double-sided? Yeah, maybe for a tiny spot. But to try to repair the whole canvas, it's just not going to go, because wherever you put the strips and you go to take it off, it leaves the line regardless how close you could get it. So as you can see, it did not work. Anyways, happy diamond painting, and I will catch you next time.